Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how to connect MySQL Workbench into a Power BI. So if you are a Power BI developer, you are Power BI aspirants. So always the data want to be came from like online sources like databases, let's say, or else from Google Sheets. So which is where the customers or users can enter dynamically. So it is very important to understand connecting the database with Power BI. So I hope you know Power BI is one of the leading visualization tool in the globe actually. So now we going to see how to connect the database into Power BI. So first step is it's same as Excel. Go to get data, go to more. Here you're able to search for MySQL. So automatically this MySQL database will pop up. Guys, before that you want ODBC connector, just watch my previous recordings. So in that connecting the database with Excel, I have mentioned how to install it. So it is same as Excel. Let's say it asking for me the server name, which is nothing but go to database, connect to a database. I'm just giving this host name, that is my server name. Database I want is, let's say, YouTube. Then SQL statement if optional, this is called direct query mode. So what I'm doing is select star from, you can write whatever the query you want. If you're not writing the query, if you're giving OK button alone. So once again, it is, if you're giving OK button, it is taking all the tables in the database. See here, it is taking all the tables in the database. We able to see the multiple tables that is available in my YouTube table. See here, YouTube having multiple tables. All the tables are visible here. Now you can select multiple tables. Let's say I want these three tables, and you can give load button. So now this all table is loaded into here. Now you can build your dashboard using these tables. Now refresh once again. Yeah, it is loaded. All the tables are loaded. Are able to see here. Now if you want something to be, let's say, city name. So it is, sorry, it is not in a proper way. Let me try with YouTube email. So ID and their age. So I'm giving a table. So only one ID we have, and the only one age we have. So you can build a dashboard using these tables. Right now I'm just taking dummy tables. In real time you can take data, like what are the tables that is really required to build a dashboard. Then to refresh this, so that is very important, you can refresh it manually. Automatically all the tables are refreshed again from the database, or else you can schedule a refresh in Power BI, which will cover everything in a brief in a Power BI modules. So this is basic understanding of, because we are learning database, we want to understand what are the ways we can connect the database. That's why we are trying to understand. So we can connect the database with Excel, Python, as well as Power BI. I hope you understood this is the way to connect database into Power BI. Either you can correct all the tables directly with no filter, or else you can write a customized SQL query while importing the tables from the database. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks everyone.